Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Dell Alien 15. So first go to dell.com. Okay, this is Dell official website. Then click on support and then go to download and driver or download Alienware 15. Okay, wait few seconds to synchronize. So this is your laptop. Scroll down, click to find specific driver. You can check the automatically, so you can select the automatic means you can see the required driver and then you can install. If you require the custom driver, so select the driver on click, then select the first operating system, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, so you can select the Windows 10, then click on categorize. Scroll down, this is all driver. First scroll down. This is graphic card driver, you can see, and click to download. If you extract, so you can see the size. You have to click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. You just set up to next text and install. So after the downloaded, then you can see this is NVIDIA 860M, 960M, 560M. So just right click and then run as administrator. Wait few seconds to require the administrator rights to install and then click to yes. After that click on yes, install, then it will start for the installation. Then next to restart the graphic driver and it will start the installations after a few seconds. Then you can see it is start and then next to install and then finish.